Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to unarchive messages chat on Facebook Messenger. If you would like to unarchive your chat on Facebook Messenger, then just follow these steps. Open up Facebook Messenger app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Firstly, I will archive a messages chat right now so that I could unarchive it later. Okay, this chat has been archived. Now click on search bar at the top and enter the name of the user which conversation you would like to unarchive. In this case, I'm typing in Freeway Social. Click on it afterwards. Archived conversation will be displayed here. Just send a random message to this chat and it will be unarchived automatically. Now let's go back and check whether it has been unarchived. As you can see, this messages chat is back on the main screen now. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to unarchive messages chat on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.